Hi guys, now in this video I'm introducing to you all-in-one courier management where you can start your own courier business, manage parcels, staffs, branches, tracking all goods and services in a simple system. Now there's no coding stress, there's no stress, all you see is results. Now in this video I'm going to show you a demo walkthrough of what it does, how the software works, what you can do with it, the landing page, how it looks like. This landing page, and also the admin dashboard, what you'll be seeing in the back end to feature the features in the back end that you can set on the landing page. I'm going to show you everything in this video. Now, if I just for the first time, please ensure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video for more of this. And if you want to say this for a business, please ensure you hit the subscribe button. Contact me via this on the screen so that I can get it done for you and it's ready for you in 48 hours. Now let's get right to it. Now this is landing page. You can see we provide bed dispatch services. Like I said earlier, you can manage online parcel tracking, just like the popular shipping company like Speedy. What is it called? What is the name? Speed Half. We have Speed Half. We have there's so many UPS, USPS, all of them like that. So this is the platform. This is the platform that they use to manage their delivery services, where people take orders, how to track orders, how you can track all your deliveries, where they have gotten to. It is like that. So this is a platform that can help you do that for your business. You don't have to stress yourself. You don't have to start meeting heavy developers to code from scratch or spend heavily. It's an affordable fee. It's ready for you for that hours. Like I said, I'll set it for an affordable fee for you as well. Like I said, always it also has multiple users where people can, your staffs can use it, employee can use it, management can use it, and they can always track orders. Standard carrier, express carrier, all of this in pallets, overnight, every orders, warehousing. You can set up your team members, what they do, put it there, even reviews, other places, other things, fact, and where your branches are. You can set the location and your contact, also blog posts who engage people, what they can know about your company. Now let's move to the admin dashboard and let's see how it works. So you can see shipping call, courier, deliveries. You can check the analytic reports, the branch that you have, total income you've made. If people are paying to the service this online, you can check all of this and track everything. Admin dashboard, staff lists, outcome lists, everything is there. Everything is there. Everything you need about the courier management system is here. And if you need this done, like I said, contact me via the details on the screen and I will get it set it up for you. It's ready 48 hours. And remember, this is a one-time payment for a lifetime access. No. So now if you have a courier services or delivery services that is very difficult for you to manage your tracking your goods, this is a platform that can help you do that. Now, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video for more. Bye bye.